HL-B2018 HL-H2018 Hotel Door Lock Installation Guide. The first step is to install the lock body. Insert the lock body into the open lock body slot, according to the drawing and the door opening direction of the door lock. Insert the fixing screw into the fixing hole on the side of the lock body and tighten it. Step 2. Install the front and rear panels of the lock. Insert the handle shaft into the corresponding shaft holes on the lock body. Screw the extension nut onto the front panel of the lock. Insert the handle shaft into the handle hole on the front panel of the lock. Connect the cable of the front panel with the cable of the rear panel together. Align the rotating shaft of the inner knob with the knob hole of the lock body and insert it. At the same time, insert the handle hole of the lock rear panel into the handle rotation shaft. Confirm handle and interior knobs are functioning properly. Insert the fixing screws of the front panel into the top screw holes of the rear panel. Align them with the extended nut screws and tighten them. Then insert the fixing screws of the front panel into the bottom screw holes of the rear panel. Align them with the extended nut screws and tighten them. Step 3. Install the battery. Take out 4 new 1.5 volts batteries and insert them into the battery slot, paying attention to the positive and negative poles. Finally, install the battery cover. Test the lock function to ensure everything is working properly. Now, you have successfully completed the hotel lock installation.